Today we're going to replace the cabin air filter on this 2010 Subaru Forester. So first thing we're going to do is remove the glove compartment door. The cabin air filter is in the back. First thing we're going to do is take off this rod here. It's very simple. All you do is pop on the bottom, and then on the top I just push it out that way, and this whole thing comes out. And this thing is hydraulic. It goes up and down, so it's connected on this point and this point on the inside. So next thing we're going to do, on two sides of this glove box is a low tab goes in, and all you got to do is pry it away from the sidewall here. So first thing we're going to do is on the left hand side, and all we need is a flathead screwdriver. And make sure you do this carefully. So once you do the right hand side, and you come back and slowly there you go. So we got it off. So all we do is pull the whole thing out, and it slides right out. The whole glove box comes off. So next thing we have back here is where the cabin air filter is. All we need to do is just slides it out. And as you can see, it's pretty dirty. And this filter here, it got a notch on the bottom, so it'll go in one way only. So we got a replacement here. The brand we got today is TYC. It's not the OEM part from Subaru, and that's the parts number for the TYC. So we take it out and we get the same part here. So again, there's your notch. There's going to be the top, and we just go ahead and slide this in place. Okay, filter's back in place. So we're going to go ahead and put the box back over. And on the bottom here, it's got two notches that fits right into the little pin here. And then when we push this back, again, we do the same thing here. Use the screwdriver to guide it in. Do the same thing on this side, and push it in, and you hear the snap, and the door is back in place. And we're going to come back on this side here and put the rod in place. So now we're going to put our rod back in place. Best thing to do actually is shorten this thing in so we can fit it inside first. And once you get it in inside, and you can actually feel the pin where the thing is going to snap in place. And we got it in place, and all we got to do is fit the bottom piece into place, and we're set. We just changed the cabin air filter on the 2010 Subaru Forester.